Hello! Welcome to my YouTube channel! Napapatang sa ating next vlog natin. Today, ay recap na natin yung mga special episodes and TV specials during quarantine. Yung mga replays, yung mga recap, encore. Okay, ito na. Vlog number 59 and episode 59, which is, pero ba yan? Subscribe na to YouTube channel, 22 subscribers na, pero sana po marami na supportan ako at supportan natin yung ating vlog. And title for this week's vlog is, oh my god, Quarantine Watch. Here's your vlog. Okay, so ito na, muna na natin. Last weekend, yan ang AFC finals of the men's basketball season 79 games 1 and 2. LaSalle and Ateneo ay sa final. The Jerome Teng and Thomas Torres will be last UAP games for the Green Archers. That game 1 nanalo ang LaSalle 67-65. Sorry, mali na naman sa 69. 67-65. That Jerome Teng play of the game. I love to watch UAP. But the game 2, that ready ka na ba pagka Ateneo kaya mag-extend sa kanilang game number 3, or LaSalle will be champion for 2 days. Oh, 2 games lang. Oo. At ang nanalo sa game 2 is the champion and 9 championship for LaSalle, 79-72, and Jerome Teng finals MVP. Yung iba, Thomas Torres 5 years kasi dalawang 5 years, 4 years, Jason Perkins, and Julian Sargent 3 years lang siya in the UAP. Yung iba ay mag-return for next season 80, and Ben and Balam will be 2 years lang, and Richie Rebel will be transfer to UP na. Okay? So, sa season 83 hanggang sa season 82, hindi pa rin siya nagpapasok sa Final Four ang LaSalle. So, 9 championship for LaSalle in season 79. Congrats! Now, let's move on to sa entertainment. Okay. Rachel Limbres, Idol Philippines, a former Idol Philippines top 12 finalist, will be performed in Itbulaga during the grand finals of the Dabber Cats Goals for Team Kim Las and Baby Baste. Ulitin ko, Kim Las and Baby Baste team. Hiniyol sa team ni May Mendoza. Okay, sa kanilang Rico Mambo Dance, sa kanilang Pampa Throwback Hits plus Bumbo Pow 2009 by Black IP. Oo, nagsuot ka nilang para malakasang sexy dress ni Rachel Limbres. Kaso natalo sa team ni Kim Las and Baby Bastel, that the champion is Team May Mendoza. May Mendoza wins the title. And now para sa ating hugas sa kamay and magtitips for the COVID-19 iwasan. Okay, ang COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 19, ito yung sakit na katulad ng sipon, upo, at natnat, pati na sa di ng hinga. Okay, di na ng hinga. Ano po yung tunod na symptoms? Pneumonia, acute respiratory syndrome, and hindi lang hinga o hindi na kaya. Here's some tips about COVID-19. 1. Wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds. 2. Always cover your mouth and nose para makahatching ka, para iwasan ng hatching. 3. wear your mask kapag iwasan yung maraming tao na hindi mahirapan. Next is, kailangan kumain ng masustansya pagkain katulad ng fruits and vegetables, and also especially fish, meats, and eggs. Then, iwasan see the doctor para magkamay latnan or sakit. Okay? Para magkonsulta sa doktor araw-araw. And lastly, manatili na lang sa bahay. Okay? Before the end of this vlog, we will wish you a great happy birthday to one of the Idol Philippines top finalists who placed top 8 is Fatima Luis. Happy birthday, Fatima Luis. Sana, para wala na po yung quarantine and pandemic, bababalik na normal sa mga next gigs and projects. Kaya happy birthday! Happy 20th birthday, Fatima Luis! See you next vlog! Bye-bye!
'65, baby. Let's go.